going to talk about color today. So I know it's the beginning of the school year and you've gotten your brand new box of crayons. And so we're going to talk three primary colors that are in your crayon box. We've got yellow, Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. We have red, R-E-D, red. There's your red crayon. And we've got blue, B-L-U-E. So those are your three primary colors. Today, about three colors we're going to talk about. Yellow, we're going to talk about blue, and we're going to talk about red. And then we're going to mix two of each of these to make a new color. Anything, you cannot make these colors from mixing two colors. So they're called primary colors. So I'm going to put a drop, or two, in the first cup. I'm going to put 2 drops of the red in the second cup. And I'm going to put 2 drops of blue food coloring in the third cup. So this is food coloring that you can buy from your local store, grocery store actually. So I'm going to mix up the yellow, I'm going to mix up the red, and I'm going to mix up the blue food coloring. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mix 2 colors together to make a new color. So for example, if I take some blue and some yellow, what color do you think those 2 colors are going to make, yellow and blue? Let's see if you're right. Ready? It made green, didn't it? Yes, so blue and yellow made green. Okay, let's try another one. Now let's mix together some of the red and some of the blue. What color do you think red and blue will make? Let's see. See if you're right. Purple. So red and blue mixed together make purple. Now let's try one more. Let's do, how about if we do red and yellow? I'm going to mix some of the red and some of the yellow. What color do you think red and yellow will make? Let's see if you're right. Orange! So you are so smart. Okay, so our primary colors are yellow, red, and blue. And when we take 2 of these colors and mix them together, blue and yellow are going to make green. Red and blue are going to make purple. And red and yellow are going to make orange. These are called secondary colors because you had to mix 2 primary colors to get this color, each of these colors. We can also do it when we are painting. So I can take some yellow, put that there. I can take some red, I'm going to put that in there. Whoops. Put some red in there. And artists do this a lot. If they run out of a color of paint, they can mix colors together, and so put blue on the end. Those are our 3 primary colors. Primary colors are colors that you can't make by mixing colors together. So, but we can make other colors from the primary colors. So if I take a little bit of the yellow and a little bit of, or let's see, let's go ahead and do, we'll do a little bit of the yellow and then a little bit of the blue and mix them up. And Voila! See it changing colors? I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more yellow in there. So we can get it. There it is. So now, look at that. Now we've got our green, right? Okay, now I'm going to take some blue. And I'm going to mix that with a little bit of red. Oops. The blue and some red. And you see what I ended up with? I ended up with purple. Pretty cool. The last one that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my red and yellow and mix those together and show you. So I've got my red here, and I'm just going to scoop that yellow right into it. And when I mix red and yellow together, get a little bit more yellow. When I mix red and yellow together, I get orange. So I've got green and orange and purple. Those I got from mixing two primary colors together. And so I can use my yellow to make a circle. And I think the sun's got a little bit of orange in it, so we could even add a little bit of orange in there. Ooh, that makes it look pretty cool too. And we can put some blue, I'll put a blue sky there. Trying to do this. Holding it is a little challenging. Then we can use our green that we made, and we can use that for the grass, can't we? And we could use it for stems, maybe make some flowers, put some leaves on them. Flowers. Make some little purple. I'm going to put a little bit of yellow in the middle. And there you have your picture using your colors. So we use the yellow, the orange, the green, the blue, and the purple to go ahead and make our picture with. This is a little special book that I went ahead and made a few years back, and it's called Color. I used the word color in the colors of the rainbow, and I made some stamps, yellow, red, and blue on there, and I did some fancy little artwork. And then these are called your secondary colors. Okay, these are the colors that we made. We mixed red and blue to make purple or violet. We mixed yellow and red to make orange. And we mixed blue and yellow to make green. So here's your little color lesson today. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope you get your crayons out. I hope you get your paints out. I hope that you just get your hands in the paint and on the crayons and do some wonderful color projects. So I hope you have a colorful day, just discovering all the beautiful colors that God has made all around us. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.